In this video we're diving into how to clean a toilet thoroughly. Maintaining a clean toilet is essential for hygiene and can help prevent the spread of bacteria and odors. Let's go through the best methods to keep your toilet sparkling clean. A clean toilet not only looks better but also ensures that your bathroom is hygienic and safe to use. Regular cleaning can prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria and stains, making the environment healthier for everyone. You will need a good toilet brush, some rubber gloves, a disinfectant toilet cleaner, a spray bottle filled with a mixture of water and vinegar for surface cleaning, and some paper towels or a clean cloth. Begin by applying a generous amount of toilet cleaner under the rim and down the sides of the bowl. Look for cleaners that are formulated to kill germs and remove tough stains. Let the cleaner sit for a few minutes to break down stains and kill bacteria. While the cleaner is sitting, use the vinegar and water solution to spray down the exterior of the toilet, including the base, lid, and seat. Wipe these areas with paper towels or a cloth, paying extra attention to handles and other high-touch surfaces to remove germs and grime. After letting the toilet cleaner soak, use the toilet brush to scrub the inside of the bowl thoroughly. Make sure to reach under the rim and down into the exit hole, which can harbor hidden grime and buildup. For tough stains, you may need to apply extra force or additional cleaner. Once you've scrubbed the toilet, flush it to rinse away the cleaner and any loosened dirt. This step also allows you to check if any spots were missed. If stains persist, repeat the scrubbing and flushing process until the bowl is clean. After cleaning, it's important to disinfect the toilet brush. Place the brush between the toilet seat and the bowl, pour bleach over the bristles, and let it soak for a few minutes. Rinse the brush by flushing the toilet with the brush in the water, then store it properly to dry. To maintain a clean toilet, make it a routine to clean at least once a week and more frequently in high-use bathrooms. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of stains and bacteria, making each cleaning session less daunting. And that's how you can effectively clean your toilet and maintain optimal bathroom hygiene. Keeping your toilet clean is a simple but important task that can significantly impact the health and aesthetics of your bathroom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.